All right, the drink we're about to make is called Alexander's Brother. And we're going to serve this up in a cocktail glass. Go ahead and put some water and ice in it, and that'll get it nice and chilled by the time you are finished making your drink. All right, put some ice in a mixing glass and measure out 1 ounce of gin. Follow that up with 1 ounce of white creme de cocoa and 1/2 ounce of cream. All right. Go ahead and get your shaker. Give it a good shake. Get everything nice and cold. Since we're serving it with no ice, you always want to make sure you shake it really well. Okay, dump out your ice water. You can see the glass is nice and frosty. And strain it in. We've got a very creamy, frothy cocktail. There you go. Bottoms up.